Welcome back to this channel. If you guys are new to this channel, my name is Terry and I document my journey to trade with prop firms, and my goal is to get a 200k funded account, right? But then I want to tell you guys that I am very frustrated with Forex. As you have seen my journey, I've been taking losses after losses, and why I want to stop. There was a video that I made when I bought a prop firm. Yeah, that was, I did a review of my edge funded. That one I did. I'm trading futures on that platform, right, with that prop firm. And the trick is that it has a lot of rules there that prop traders can definitely not withdraw money. And I'm really ashamed that this is what people want to do online. They're just selling their prop firms and advertising things. And today I want to say that, you know what, I'm actually done with forex trading and futures trading, and I want to focus more on buying stocks and holding them, or maybe day trading stocks. Not even day trading stocks, but let's say we can swing trade stocks and look at the higher time frame, the 4 hour time frame, and then we can get precise entry on the 15-minute time frame. Why I want to do this, because like I said, prop firms are a business. They are not there to make us rich. Brokers, even on trading platforms, you are trading, they are going against you. But guess what, once you buy your stock, you can hold that stock, and guess what, over time you can literally make money. They used to say if you're even trading, is not a short-term thing, and investing also is not a short-term game. So I'm rewiring my brain all over. Let's say we started on 2020. How many profits have I bought? Now I'm looking at Google even from last year, and I wanted to buy. I think I bought, but I sold. But what if I just bought Google? It was like 100 and something or 200 and something. Now Google is like $340. And it's just opening my eyes, man. Just buy and hold, buy and hold. Better than buying problems and losing money and try to get the challenges. And try to pass the challenges, try to draw out. All of that mental stress, for once, I personally, that's why I love the swing trading approach. I personally don't like stress. I think constantly, like yesterday I took a loss on Euro CHF because I entered at the resistance level, support that was broken, resistance. The market kicked me out and still go to my favor. Just imagine buying stocks, you don't care if they are going down or up, but you can dollar cost average also. But over time, you know that what, if you have two shares of, maybe let's say Robinhood, or um of eBay, of anything, Google, man, those trades, the more you buy your stock, the more you own that company. And guess what, guys, you will never lose that money. So until you sell, right, and you can decide to sell at the loss or at the gain, at the profit, when the market value appreciates. So this is going to be my new journey. I'll show you guys what the stocks that I did that actually made me, not made me, but I can say I'm actually up, right? For the first time I can see money in my account. I'm up like how many percent? Let me show you guys something. In Robinhood, I'm up 10.8%, and I bought Microsoft also, and I'm also up plus 5%, right? This, I wasn't always up, I was down, but I know that what, eventually the market is going to go up, and actually I'm seeing some profits. That makes me feel like I own these companies, plus also I received a dividends from Microsoft. I only have $10 in case my dividends was 0.02 cents. But it kind of made me feel powerful in the sense that if I have bigger shares, right? One share of Microsoft is going for $449. Remember, I only have $10 shares, so that's like 0.02 shares, right? It makes me feel powerful still, and it's only a matter of time. I can just either, just keep buying the same stocks at a low, and just keep holding them over time. They give me dividends anyways. They give me what I need. So that's it, guys. Let's focus on buying stocks, and I'll show you how my account look like. Guys, here we are. This is my Robinhood account, and I just want to show you guys that this is my total amount of money that I'm holding. I think it was what day like that I bought Robinhood for $180. 80 something dollars, and it was like average shares was like 70 something dollars, I believe. Let's see what is happening here. So this our Robinhood. We are going down to, you see that my average cost was 79, and I bought 2 shares, as you can see guys, 2 shares, 2.8 shares. And the market value right now, my market value, you have seen the increase of the money guys. This is not a joke. My total return is $42 and 18%, and this is today's return. So this was based on Friday. And guys, let's go and look at the chart for Robinhood anyways. This is our Robinhood chart. Let me take you guys to our Robinhood chart and show you guys how it is looking like. I think I bought around here. I had bought around here and just hold, but I've also bought around here, somewhere like that. And yeah, you can see, yes, from like 70 something dollars, but now you can see the market is going up. This is the 4-hour time frame. So this would, you are trading with stocks, right? We have this low here, we have this support level here. Let's scale down to the higher time frames and actually look at this market more. This is our higher time frame. The daily time frame, everything, this is our 50 moving average. Everything was what? Below price. We want to be selling. All of a sudden, market cross above, market start moving sideways and finally created this high. So now we are above this moving average. Anything above this moving average, we want to be buying. Also, the structure has confirmed that what? We have broken above these highs here, and we are definitely going to the upside. The weekly time frame also, we had our moving average above, cross back below, trend at this support level here, because this is considered also as a resistance level, right? And it became support. So we have seen this kind of like a head and shoulder, or let's say we have seen a higher low here that created a higher high. It doesn't matter guys, all we know is that everything is looking bullish. Our 50 moving average just crossed above also, although it's looking a little sideways, but you know why? It's because market has pulled back, and now it's time to continue to the upside. If market continues to the downside, no worries, I will keep on buying, because I know that eventually, as you have seen, market is going to continue bullish. I'm excited about this, and let's look at other stocks that I'm actually eyeing. The same thing for our Tesla stocks. I'm paper trading these Tesla stocks, and you have seen the amount of money. I was up even $1 million, and I was excited. I'm like, wow, this paper trading is awesome. So what is the Tesla stock showing us right now, right? Let's look at it. On the weekly time frame, we are clearly bullish. 50 moving average supporting price. Same thing on the daily time frame, we are also bullish. But also the nature of the market, we just created this a little bit of an impulsive move to the upside, and then we have pulled back. There's that 50 moving average again. This was the perfect time to buy, and this date was what? On the 20th of this month. Wow, imagine buying here and now you are just enjoying. But I bought here. It may be too late, but it doesn't matter. I'll just keep holding until everything starts showing bearish, and I'll still keep holding. That's the best part about trading stocks. Let's go to Apple. This is our 4-hour time frame. Everything is looking bullish. 50 moving average is looking bullish. Everything here is looking bullish on the daily, and everything is looking bullish on the weekly. We might wait if the market come back to this level of support. This 2 level was beautiful on the weekly time frame to buy. Investors who bought here, that's how investors do. I guess it's patience, right? You wait on the higher time frame. Look at what is happening. Market moves slower. So since March, investors have been buying this market, and guess what? You are buying this market at a support at what price? $245, and now this market is all the way at $312. It is awesome to trade, and there are many companies to trade, but I guess you should just choose like about 12 of them. I have about 10 to 12 stocks here that I'm trading, and for me that's just gonna be it. And this, when you see this market at this level, let's say I put in $1,000 here, just imagine how many shares or have maybe about 4 shares, 5 shares, or maybe 4 shares, like that. 300, let's say 200 and something, right? This was 200 and something, $245. So it's like $250. 4 shares, look how they increase in value. That's a lot of movement. And then market come back again, you add another kind of like 4 shares again. That's the approach that I'm taking in coming from now. With patience, the market is always going to go up. If the market is going down, no worries, right? You just wait for it to reach a support level and keep buying more. I told you guys about Google. Let's look at Google here. It was April. It was what day like that? Let's see this market. This is 2026. The same thing when I was looking at 2026, I was like, damn, I should have been buying this, because February of 2025, this market was also very bullish. This April 25, you see, look at the market cross above this moving average on the weekly time frame. As you can tell, the market is going to continue up. Look at where the market is. If it comes back down here, we are going to buy more. And just buy and hold. That's the easiest thing. You don't need stop loss. What stop loss does is it takes you out of the market and you are not able to capitalize. So that's why I don't believe in Forex trading anymore, putting stop loss. I just want to, even options trading, because the contract expired. We cannot time the market. Let's just buy at support and hold. That's my new plan. That's my idea. I'm going to do this for a year and see what happens. Now you are saying, how much am I going to spend into buying these companies? I'm actually trying to hold about, I'll be buying for, like, let's say if I have $300, this is going for $300. That's why I'll be waiting for the market to literally come to my weekly support level over here at a discount. Then I'm going to take advantage of it. If not, maybe when market broke above, because that's already another level, is gonna act as support after it broke the resistance. What other pair am I going to look at? Intel did have that good spike, very good run to the upside. If Intel comes all the way back down here, it will be fun, it will be nice, but I don't know if it will come, so we'll just leave it for now. Amazon was looking really good. Amazon is creating higher highs and higher lows. All I'm going to do now is to buy at these levels that I've already drawn, right? These lines that I've drawn. And guess what? The strategy with trading stocks is I'm always buying, I'm not selling. So if market come back to this level over here, I know that my 50 moving average is also supporting me. And guess what? I'm expecting a buy, because that's at a discount price. Same thing with Facebook. I don't know if I showed you guys Facebook. This is what Facebook is looking like. Right now it may look a little bit confusing, but this is a support level right here, and I'm expecting market to go up, because all we are doing is keep buying. We are going to keep buying. That was the weekly time frame. The daily time frame is clearer. We have seen multiple levels of support here. We have seen market shift range and actually broke above that range. This is a perfect buy for me on the daily time frame. If you want to scale down to the 4-hour time frame, which we take our entry, and also on the 15-minute time frame, which we can day trade on the 15-minute time frame, but on the 4-hour time frame, this is what we are doing. We are buying, and on the 15-minute time frame, we are also buying. Where can I buy? I love to take one type of setup, right? Because I don't want to miss out on this trade. So what I'm going to do is going to be simple. I'm going to draw my highs and I'm going to enter that highs. That's it. And this is the 15-minute time frame. And this was if I was day trading. And that's where my entry is going to be. And guess what? I'm not selling, there's no stop loss, so we are all fine, right? I'm not going to be scared about losing a trade like how it happened on Euro CHF. I'm not gonna do that. All of these trades, I barely even won them. Some of them were break even, and I was on the 1 minute time frame, fumbling when I could have just scale up higher time frame. What are we doing? We are selling. This is the 4 hour time frame. Market is at a resistance. We can sell back. I think I sold here, but I also got stopped at a break even, which I was putting my stop loss too tight then, or moving my stop loss at break even. That's why I got stopped out. I saw this market on a daily time frame. My stop loss would have been all the way above this daily resistance level and above my 50 moving average. I would have been guaranteed to make money because the market will come back down. It is what it is, guys. We are moving forward, we are learning, and it is all a process. With that being said, guys, thank you guys so much for watching. Like I said, we are going to be owning companies, we are going to be owning them for a long period of time, and we are going to make life easy. When we are down, when we are red days, obviously we are going to see red days because that's how the market is going to go down into support level and into a discount price where we can buy more, and we can buy and hold eventually to make more money for the market to continue to go up. I don't think Facebook in the 10 years time is going to be the same price. I think the price is going to keep on going up because it's a value company, the same as Robinhood, the same as Nvidia, the same as Tesla. They will continue to go up, the same as Apple, the same as Amazon. So we are just going to buy at support from now on, and I'm just going to update you guys with my account every day or every time I upload a video. Peace out.